Big year for you guys. How's everything feel here in the first few days?
Everything feels strong. I feel like we got a strong O-line, strong backfield. Our defense is looking pretty good. I feel like this year is going to be a really good year for us.
Yeah, you knew this coming in with the roster numbers that there was going to be a lot on your shoulders, and how do you feel about that?
I feel we got a decent amount of kids this year. Last year we had 17. This year we got 21. So I feel like we have more to choose from, more people to pick from to put out on the field, put the best kids on the field that we have, and I feel like we're going to do better than last year.
You excited to get to carry the ball?
Oh yeah, really excited. I'm a big kid. We're going to mess some kids up.
That'll be a lot of fun. Great, thank you. Hey Johnny, tell me how the transition is going for you.
It's going good. I mean, it's nice like being with these guys because we've all grown up on the same team. We've all stuck together, so it's just we're all coming together, being mature. And then me switching to quarterback, I always wanted to play quarterback. I thought it was Yeah, I thought it was an awesome position. So yep, I got my chance now, and I'm not gonna fail it. So.
Yeah, pretty exciting. Which just thinking offensively in terms of the way that you're gonna be using or holding the football, that kind of thing. What's the kind of the biggest change in the positions?
Well, I think the hardest part for me was I always learned to take the football, not to hand the football. So now I have to like figure out where these guys are going, how the whole offense is running out. But I'm getting a hold of it.
You're gonna know how they like it, right?
Yeah,
where to stick the ball.
Yep.
Okay, great. And then same question to you about the offense. I mean, you guys are going to be the main ball carriers, lead blockers. If you guys score touchdowns, it's going to be because of the way that you play. How do you feel about that role?
I feel pretty good. I feel like we have a big lead behind the O-line. I feel like we're pretty much going to push down the field every time we get the ball. No doubt about that. We're going to have our O-line blocking as good as they always do. Even better this year because we got Coach Williams coaching them up, and I can hear the good vibes over when they're practicing. So I have a feeling we're going to have a good O-line to run behind, and it's going to be a lot of touchdowns this year.
Sometimes it's you can get tired when you're playing both ways, but I got to think as a person who loves football that's also kind of an exciting thought.
I've learned playing with Newberry, you don't get tired because you pretty much every sport I've been in, I've done mostly everything that's offered out there because we don't have the numbers to switch guys in and out. So pretty much learn to suck it up and go on with it.
Yeah.
That's how I train.
Good, great, thank you.